Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, have you ever stumbled upon a hidden gem that everyone seemed to miss? Let's dive into one such film. In recent times, Western films have seen a revival thanks to shows like Yellowstone. But what about the movies that get lost in the shuffle? Frank Grillo, named synonymous with powerful performances, has been everywhere. From the MCU to the DC universe, his roles are hard to forget. But did you know he starred in a 2021 Western that barely made a ripple? Grillo's No Man's Land is set in a Texas border town where a ranching family faces the harsh realities of illegal immigration. The film cackles heavy themes with a mix of tension and heart, despite a strong cast, including George Lopez and Andy McDowell. The movie struggled at the box office, making less than $200,000. The pandemic didn't help, and it's now hard to find on streaming platforms. Critics were mixed, but audiences loved it. The film's emotional depth and Grillo's performance shone through, even with a conventional plot. And it's a film that's definitely worth a second look, especially given today's border issues. If Westerns are your thing, No Man's Land is a hidden gem that deserves your attention. And after all, not every great film needs a blockbuster budget to make an impact. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.